Maximum Control's black box onboard diagnostics stands as the industry's most precise and comprehensive troubleshooting feature. By plugging a USB thumb drive into the OBD port, all the operator's diagnostics history will download. The result is a meticulously documented text file capturing the most recent 8,000 event reports. The OBD log file provides a detailed overview, beginning with a timestamp revealing the date and time the data was retrieved from the operator. Immediately following the timestamp, configuration and setting reports are available. This report includes details such as the initial settings on the board. A useful practice is to log these settings post-installation to preserve a record in case of any alterations by end users or vandalism in your absence. Additionally, it outlines the UL safety device inputs learned by the operator, specifies the open position, which varies based on the gate's length or angle of opening, and includes details about the firmware version. Just before the event report, descriptions of type classification are listed, starting from most problematic event types to informational messages like loop and strike commands. Error indicates an abnormal event that could lead to system malfunction. Entrapment, detection of an entrapment event, ERD, involving scenarios like gate ERDing into electronic reverse detection or issues with rear photo eyes or front edges. Warning, signifies an unusual event that doesn't cause system malfunction, but may be related to power issues triggering the operator's shift to battery backup. Info, provides informational messages, including regular open commands, loop commands, or aiding in diagnosing gate behavior. Now that we have reviewed the event type classifications, let's look at an example of an event report. Events are logged with their date, type classification, gate status, gate info, and it includes voltage and temperature. For this specific example, the event report includes an average current draw and speed at the top. However, the current draw and speed are spread out throughout the report, giving insight if there are fluctuations, if the gate is working harder at certain times. A recurring observation in this log pertains to entrapment events, particularly involving an opening edge and a safety sensor signaling a UL10K open sensor activated, followed by deactivation within a second. This recurrence suggests a persistent issue of the edge triggering. Note, as you navigate through the log, users have the capability to search and focus on specific events by their type classification or any keyword you enter. If you are using Notepad on Windows, simply press Ctrl+F to open a search window. For Mac users with the file open in TextEdit, press Command+F to activate a similar search function. This small search window allows you to efficiently seek and isolate events based on their designated type classification. You can then navigate through these specific events using the keyboard's up and down keys, swiftly bypassing all other events, except those you are searching. Additionally, if the file is opened in Microsoft Word, the same command can be employed to search for any type classification. For instance, searching error allows focusing solely on problematic events of this type. By doing so, one can identify issues such as a motor not spinning error and investigate surrounding type classifications to determine the root cause. In a scenario involving both primary and secondary operators, the primary logs both operators, revealing all the data for both. However, the event report distinguishes events by labeling whether it is the primary or secondary operator. The OBD text file breakdown facilitates a thorough understanding of the operator's performance and history, revealing the absolute total history for the past 8,000 transactions, and empowers users to pinpoint and address specific events for effective troubleshooting or confirming regular gate operation.